Hey, ever find yourself staring at your screen thinking, there's gotta be more than this 9 to 5 life? That was me. Just a regular day, coffee in hand, dreaming of starting something online but having no clue where to begin. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Step 1, know your why first. Get clear on your why. Is it more freedom, flexibility, a way to create something of your own? That reason will keep you going when things feel tough, and they will. Step 2, pick a business model. You've got options. Sell digital products, do affiliate marketing, offer coaching or services. Choose what fits your strengths, not what's trendy. Step 3, focus on one thing. Don't try to do everything. Pick one offer, one audience, one clear message. Simplicity equals momentum. Step 4, build your digital hub. Think of your digital hub as your online home, where your story, content, and offers live. It's where people connect with you. At My Biz Connector, we call this a hub-centric business because everything points back to it. Step 5, show up with value. Create content that actually helps people. Share what you know, solve real problems, and invite folks back to your hub. That's how trust is built. Step 6, build real connections. Digital business is still human business, so talk to people. Build relationships. That's how your business grows, one connection at a time. Step 7, keep it simple. No fancy tools needed, no perfect plan, just stay consistent, keep learning, and take it step by step. You're building a business around your life, not the other way around. If you're ready to start your digital business from home, visit mybizconnector.com for helpful tools and support. And if this gave you clarity, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to do the same. You've got everything you need. Now take that first step.